Hello everyone, welcome to this edition of BilisummaaShow with Woyesa. Please stay focused on Pinpine master plan. Oromo students who are getting arrested, abused in Hambo, Buraju, and Walaga, and everywhere else. Please stay focused. The TPLF police, I think, in my opinion, wants you to talk about Coca Cola Company and Teddy Apro, why Coca Cola refused to release Teddy Apro's work that he did in Nairobi with other African artists. If you don't know, Coca-Cola financed and sponsored this project involves Teddy Apro, Coca-Cola, and other African artists. The project was finished in Nairobi. The project is completely done. It's about to release just the last minute. The World Cup will start on the 12th. June 12th. And this project is supposed to be released at the World Cup stage with the Coca-Cola company. Again, Coca-Cola official based in Shagar refused to release Teddy Apro's part of the project on a world stage for whatever reason that we don't know. In my opinion, I think TPLF is involved here. I think TPLF is involved with Coca-Cola not to release Teddy Apro's work, Teddy Apro's version of the work that was again involved other African artists recorded in Nairobi, Kenya. The TPLF police want you to get distracted. They want you on your social media, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, to talk about Teddy Apro and the Coca-Cola. They don't want you to talk about Pinpine master plan. They don't want you to talk about Oromo students are getting abused, arrested, Burayu, Hambo, and Wanaka. In reality, this is what's going on inside Oromia today. If you speak of an Oromo, if you have Oromo name, if you are students, if chances are you are going to be harassed, arrested, abused by the Tigrinya speaking security forces. So this is what's going on. They want you to talk about Coca-Cola and Teddy Apro. I understand if you have something to say, if you want to express yourself about this, about Teddy Apro and Coca-Cola. I understand. If you want to express yourself on your social media, go for it. Get it off your chest as soon as possible so we can get back on the real issues. Stay focused on Oromo students and Pinpine master plan. Again, don't waste your energy and time, so much of your time and energy on Teddy Apro and the Coca-Cola company. Again, I understand if you have something to say, if you want to get it off your chest, if you want to say something, what you think of why Coke dumped Teddy Apro, why Bedele Beer dumped Teddy Apro, on and on. I understand. Go right ahead. I totally understand. If you want to say something about Bedele Beer, Milinik, Coca-Cola, Teddy Apro, get it done. Get it over it. And again, stay focused. As you may already know or heard, the protest is still going on in a diaspora against Finfine Master Plan. Oromos is still speaking up for other Oromos who are getting abused or back home. It's still going on. A candlelight is still going on. Don't get distracted with the Coca-Cola and Teddy Afro. We don't know why Coke refused to release Teddy Apro's work. We don't know what went wrong. We really don't know. Nobody really knows. Again, of course, in my opinion, TPLF is involved. TPLF is involved in a Coke and Teddy Apro. Why Teddy Apro's work is not going to be released? I think TPLF is involved. They want you to get distracted. Again, they want you to talk about Teddy Apro and Coca-Cola. You are watching Alternative Media. My name is Oyesa. And please, again, if you want to say something about Coca-Cola and Teddy Apro, get it done as soon as possible. Get over it. Stay focused on Oromo students and Pinpine Master Plan. Thank you so much for watching BilisummaaShow. Bye-bye.